Kids Learning TV. A for apple, A for ant. B for ball, B for baby. C for cat, C for cake. D for dog, D for duck. E for elephant, E for egg. F for fish, F for fan. G for girl, G for gift. H for hen, H for hat. I for ice cream, I for igloo. J for jug, J for jam. K for kite, K for key. L for lotus, L for lion. M for monkey, M for mango. N for necklace, N for nut. O for orange, O for owl. P for pencil, P for penguin. Q for queen, Q for quilt. R for ring, R for rabbit. S for ship, S for sun. T for tiger, T for toy. U for umbrella, U for unicorn. V for violin, V for vegetables. W for watch, W for well. X for X-ray, X for xylophone. Y for yak, Y for yacht. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share our channel.